Hey cooks, guess what we have in the house? We have some Temp-tations. You guys know I'm a Temp-tations fan. I collect the Floral eggplant, and they recently ran a Temp-tations day and they had a brand new set, and we have that here in the kitchen. So join me for an unboxing of some Temp-tations. So I collect floral lace in the eggplant color. I have some plate sets or dinnerware sets. I have a bakeware set, and I have some completer pieces. Last week they were running this Temp-tation days where they have a brand new set out, and I wanted to get some because it's called the Squoval, and it's basically oval, but it's kind of square, kind of rectangle. I thought they were kind of neat. So it's here, and we're gonna open this baby up. So let's do this. So Eric saw this in the entryway, and he asked me, like, what was that? And I was like, it's nothing. And I did that a few times, and he, like, over the course of 2 or 3 days, he kept saying, like, referring to that box, right? And I knew he knew something was up. And definitely something was up, right? Okay, let's see what we have here. And we just have a little information sheet about Temp-tations, 3-year warranty. They're oven safe to 500 degrees, dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer safe. Just some information about their products. Woo, let's see here what we got. Did any of you guys have any Temp-tations? If you do, let me know down in the description what you collect. If you're in my Facebook group, let me see some pictures of your Temp-tations, right? Woo! Need a little drinky poo. This is an interesting set because they're oval. Holy cow. Let's see, we can get some stuff out of here. Looks like a lid. Looks like something here. Let's just get the whole kit and caboodle out. Gosh, I love unboxing. Oh my gosh. This is a pretty big set. It's a pretty cool looking set. Got something over here. Just keeps coming, huh? Something over here. Something over here. This set is going to be cute. I'm just telling you guys right now. This is adorable.
Yes, my lady.
Can you get this out of the box for me? Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Wow. This is seriously packed, I'll tell you. They wanted to make sure nothing was damaged. I'm telling you, I don't know how they do it a lot of times because this stoneware can break very easily in shipping. The fact that they can get it all the way to you without major damage. Looks kind of like a cute set. I did see a flaw in something so far, so we'll see how that is. So, first off, what do we have here? We have so this is a rack, woo, for our large baker. Yay! So all these have liddits. So this has got a liddit.
A liddit?
A liddit. So this is a lid. The lid is flat and it's great because you can also use this as a baker. And it's kind of deep, so it's good. I could see myself putting fajitas on this bad boy. So it can serve as the lid or as a trivet. And this is the piece I kind of see a flaw on, so I don't know exactly what to do about that. So this is our main baker. This one is 3-quart. I do see a flaw on this. Right here, if you can see that, the paint is smeared right there. I don't know if they can send me another one. Not sure, but it's got a big, huge smear on it. So I'll contact them and see what's up with that. So you can bring it to the table like this, or you can bring it to the table like this. Put that in there, and then this is a lid. Woo! And you can actually bake something. Bake in this lower and bake on the top. So you can put your pasta bake in the bottom and put some bread on here to heat it up. Right? Love this. Plus you can just use this serving. Love it. Okay, next up, we have another one of these. These are great. I think these are worth the price of admission. In here are some little mitts. These are cool. And I believe what they said about these mitts is they added on some silicone on the back side so they don't slip as easily. And cool. What was that song, Disco Duck? Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. And here's this. Another. These all have lids to them too. So let's see. I think the baker for this is over here. Wow, nice. These are really, really nice. Look at that. It's the eggplant color. So again, you can use this as a serving platter. You can stick this in here as a trivet, or you can put the baker in here and as a lid. So they call this a liddit. And look at how deep it is. That's pretty sweet, huh? And it also has that's not the right one. Let's see if I can find. This is, oh. So this is for the big one that I just unwrapped. Making a mess down there. And here is this one. So if you want to go ahead and store this in your refrigerator, You just snap it on here, and then they can stack in the refrigerator. So that is really cool. So we got the lid it, the baker, and the snap-on lid. So this is the next one. Here's a lid it. That thing is cute, huh? You can use this as a butter dish. You just put butter on there. That's pretty cool, huh? So here we have this size that is really nice. This is a 1 quart. And we have this size, which is a 1/2 quart. And that must be the trivet for that. This must be the one for this. Sweet. And so for this one, that's the lid it, or you can use it as a trivet. And here is the snap-on storage lid. And here's our lid it for this, the baker, and the snap-on storage lid for that. Sweet. Here's some, comes with some recipes too. So we have rustic apple tart, roasted sweet potato salad, peach crumble, plum tomato basil pizza, lemon tea cakes. Sweet. Those are nice. Okay, so let's open this. And we got the lids. These are little like ramekin size. Here's the lids. Here's the little ramekins. Wow, they're adorable. These are almost worth the set itself. Just these ramekins. Sweet. They're really cute. And these little ramekins have little baby lids. Look at that. That is so cute. I could use these in, if you have some, if you're doing like an olive oil tasting or something, you can have bread cut up into wedges and have different kinds of olive oil or different kinds of dip and just use these, set these things out. Just like this with your dips on them. You could dip your bread in those. So these are the little ramekins, sweet. This is the lids that go on the ramekins. Little storage lids. And here's our lids. Okay guys, so in our set we have a 3 quart, a 2 quart, a 1 quart, a 1/2 quart, and then we have the 4 ramekins. I really, really like this set. Even though there was one little paint flaw, I'm gonna contact them about this. I think like this set is fabulous. I love it. I can't wait to use it for serving if nothing else. The pieces are beautiful. Wow, I'm so happy with this. So this is Temp-tations. It's a floral lace eggplant and wow, love it, right? Also has the recipe cards and the little mitts. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, I'm at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. If you're not in my Facebook group, send me a request. And if you're in there, show me your Temp-tations, right? Go ahead and post a picture of your Temp-tations. I love to see it. And because you know I like anything, any kind of bakeware, right? I'm also on Instagram at Cooking with Amy. We got temptations. We got temptations. We got a little temptations for you. We got temptations. We got temptations. We got some temptations in